Julian, what's that smell?
Start digging.
Workout paused.
2006, 2007, 2008, 2009, 2000.
What's that? That's not a black opal. What is that?
Just a beautiful little stone thing that put in the ring.
Oh.
Mind the gap.
Every time I hear one of those, I'll think,
Workout paused.
Took it off the penny.
There's only a little bit of it.
Amazing pub. So we'll go here tonight at Stanthorpe. Joanne's busy cooking.
oh, nearly. Good on you, Bradman. Oh,
No, just saying that.
you fucking.
Just getting ready for our day.
Walk like a man. Oh.
Beautiful. Yeah, they're the yellow ones. We're going to Pyramid Rock via the Granite Arch.
That's 1,000. That's 1,000 steps.
2005, 2006, 2007, 2008, 2009, 2000.
Come on, Nana Shell. Come over there where Brad is.
Yeah, get on this. This is good.
We've got to get down this.
Yeah, I know.
No regret coming this far. Okay, I'm going to just get to where it was.
From here, you're going around that way, and it's that big drop off there.
No, I'm not
so
doing
I'm not
it.
keen to go for
No.
that.
Another one of those scary rocks again.
Go down here and keep an eye out for. Now you climb up on the top of the rock as a lookout. Looking for the mailman.
Gosh, this was his old hideout. Old Fred Ward, Thunderbolt. Oh my gosh, it's crazy. This is crazy. Wow. So amazing.
That was big nights. Me with a bottle of rum. I'm so big dog and You guys aren't just from convict blood, you're from bush ranger.
Not here.
Hey, big sis, straight ahead into some Aboriginal place, 5k, or left into Basket Swamp Falls.
Okay, where are we going? Over.
Maybe go to the falls?
Sounds good to me.
Hey, Brad, I hope there's a turnaround.
The turnaround point down here, over.